Hi. My name is Jia. I live in a small house with my grandparents. I call it a happy home. I have one elder sister and a baby brother. My elder sister is reading out a story to our baby brother. Our parents take good care of us. My father is reading a newspaper and my mother is baking a cake for us. Our uncles and aunts come to visit us. We also go and visit them on our weekends or vacations. There is a small garden in front of the house. I love to water the plants in the evening with my grandmother. I also have a puppy as a pet. I call it Tom. My grandmother tells me that a happy home protects children and helps them grow in their abilities and skills. It is also very important to listen to our parents and grandparents when they tell us important things. I enjoy a lot with my grandmother and grandfather. They tell me stories and teach family rules and ways of life. Hi there guys. If you liked this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss new episodes. Goodbye.